Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A41 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's go into our settings app and from here scroll down to device care where you'll find storage. Tap on it and tap on advanced under the SD card and this will give us the SD card itself right here. Tap on it where you should see format option. Tap on it, format SD card, the process will begin. Now this process will remove all the data from the card, so if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, but otherwise once you press on it, everything will be removed. And once it's finished, tap on done, and well, you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.